So I wanted to show you how in Canva you can create your own AI voice. Yeah, that's right. You can have Canva write like you. And how are we going to do this? We're going to use Canva, Magic Write. If you haven't heard of Magic Write before, well, Magic Write helps you rewrite content inside Canva. You select text, then you click on the Magic Rewrite and you choose a style. What this feature allows you to do is to create a style based on your writing. So typically you want to keep your text sections to a minimum. That's just in the normal process of using Magic Write. But basically, any text in Canva, you select it and then you click on the magic icon. You'll see it in the upcoming video. So you do that by creating some text, or let's say you want to change some text, but you'll need to create the voice or the style of writing so that Canva can generate new text for whatever project you're working on. So currently I am redoing a course and I want to get the text that I also want AI to talk, but that's for a later video. This video is specifically to show you how you can create your voice style using Canva. So once you have some text and you select Magic Write, you click on that and you click on Change Voice. I've already done this, but for this purpose of the video I want to show you, I'm going to go ahead and do it again. So I'm going to click on Add a New Voice, and you'll get a pop-up. And what it expects you to do is to put some of your sample text right here in this box. You have a limit of characters of 3,750, so try not to go beyond that. So I actually put in something that I had written. So this was the first one I had done. This was for a course for cybersecurity. So this was from one of my papers. And I already analyzed this voice and it said, this is a professional voice, blah, 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 blah. So I already have that one. I want to try something different. I'm just going to give you just some examples here. I'm going to, let's just say, because I want a fun voice, exciting voice, and sometimes you might want to write like that. So I'm just going to type it in here. Hey fam, today we will cover some exciting topics in our course. This course is about AI and how you can create a voice just by adding some text and letting Canva create a voice for you. I'm just going to say, isn't this fun? Fun. For some reason, my keys are getting locked up, but isn't this fun? We have so much to learn, and I am totally ready. How about you? All right, so I think that might be enough. Let me just put, because I want it to be like the fun voice, right? And I also want it to be more natural. So I put that there on purpose. I also finished a project today. I stained my wooden table. It came out really cool. So analyze the voice and let's see what it says. Exactly what I wanted. So I wanted a casual and conversational voice to use informal language and expression to engage the reader. So the first one was professional. Now I'm going to name this voice and I'm just going to call this casual voice. Valerie, casual voice. I'm going to save that. Now that you've created your voice styles, you'll be able to use them freely whenever you need to rewrite content in Canva. I was able to create 3 styles. I don't know what the limit is, but you'll see those not only during this session when you create it, but it will be available. Those styles will be available for future use. Once you've created your voice styles, you're free to use them in the future. And like I mentioned, I created professional voice and also the casual conversational voice. But you could probably try a couple of different ones, like if you are narrating a book or if you are posting on social media. I don't know what the limit of the number of voice styles you can create, but I was able to create 3 of them at least. That's all I had tried to create. So now I've created a voice. So now let's just say this part of the course. So far, I've been making it professional voice, but I'm going to rewrite this whole thing and I want to say casual. Change voice to the casual. Let's see what it comes up with. And there it is. Hey fam, let's talk about keeping your commission safe. Theft is a thing, right? Whether you're running a store or an online biz, you gotta watch out. So it's using those words that you would normally use in conversation. So I actually love that. That's all for this video. My plan is to try to keep the learning quick and short because I know that there's lots and lots of things coming at us these days. AI is just growing exponentially. And yeah, we don't have time for the small talk. So sometimes we do, but hey, I just wanted to get this snippet out there and show you guys what was new in Canva, or at least for me, it was new. So I'm not going to replace this. I'm just going to rewrite it again because I really want to keep this portion of it professional. But as going forward, if I want to make a course more exciting, I would definitely use this voice. All right, that's all for now. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. And this concludes the quick Canva What's New, creating your Canva writing style.